Every nation is built on a foundation, a political system that decides who rules, how laws are made, and how justice is served. But why do some countries flourish while others fall into unrest? The key often lies in the system of governance. Democracy, dominant in the West, is built on elections and representation. It promises equality and freedom. But sociologists like Wright Mills warned about the power elite, a small group controlling politics, business, and the military. While democracy gives people a voice, in reality, money and media often shape outcomes. Rising polarization and distrust in places like the US and France reveal its fragility. Authoritarianism concentrates power in a single ruler or party. It ensures order and quick decisions as seen in China. But Max Weber noted such charismatic authority can turn oppressive. Without accountability, injustice grows, leading to uprisings like the Arab Spring, where people demanded dignity and freedom. Monarchies combine tradition and stability. In absolute monarchies like Saudi Arabia, decisions are swift but lack public input. Constitutional monarchies like the UK limit royal power, blending heritage with democratic values. While stable, they can be slow to reform. Socialist systems, inspired by Karl Marx, seek equality by redistributing wealth. Yet in practice, like in the former USSR, central control often stifled freedom and efficiency. Marx envisioned liberation, but bureaucracy and authoritarian rule often replaced justice. Beyond these lies the Islamic model, Khilafa, guided by divine law and consultation, Shura. It's neither dictatorship nor Western democracy, but a system rooted in justice, morality, and service. Muslim thinkers like Ali Shariati and Ismail Raji al-Faruqi viewed it as the ideal synthesis of faith and governance. The ruler is accountable to Allah and the people. As the Prophet said, the leader of a people is their servant. In the Khilafa, Shura ensures participation, collective decision-making grounded in Quran and Sunnah. Laws don't change with politics. They're based on eternal principles protecting life, honor, and justice. Ibn Khaldun explained that when justice prevails, societies prosper. When it fades, civilizations decline. Sociologically, Emil Durkheim's idea of the collective conscience fits well here, a shared moral vision uniting society. The Khilafa cultivates unity and purpose, binding people through faith and justice. Every system has strengths, but the Khilafa with Shura stands as the most just and balanced, combining moral law, accountability, and collective wisdom, aiming for service, not domination. If you found this enlightening, subscribe and join me as we explore how faith, history, and sociology shape our world together.